Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to create a poll on Facebook in 2023. So let's jump right in. First, open up your Facebook app, whether you're an iOS or Android, just fire up that app and let's get started. Tap on the menu icon and you'll usually find this in the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Groups. This is where the polling magic is going to happen. Select the group where you want to create a poll. It could be your own group or any group where you want to have posting privileges. Once you're in the group, tap on Post to start creating a new post. Type in your question or statements for the poll. You can even add multiple choices if you want to spice things up. Click on the three dots in the bottom right corner of your post, and this is where the secret menu hides. Select Poll from the options. Facebook knows you want to make things interesting. Now, you'll see the poll option. Edit them, add more, do whatever you need to make your poll engaging. After you set up your poll, click on Done and then hit Post. Watch as the votes start rolling in. And there you have it. You've successfully created a poll on Facebook, and it's a fantastic way to engage with your friends or community and gather opinions on various topics. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.